Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, please be our guest for more delicious recipes. And so today she's teaching you how to make hummus, authentic, beautiful hummus. So she starts off by soaking the chickpeas, the dried chickpeas. A night before she soaks them, and then the next day she places them in a saucepan in water and boils them until they become soft. Basically they fall apart between your fingers. And after they finish cooking, you just strain it and remove all the moisture out of it and let it cool down so we can move on to the next step. So after the hummus has cooled down, you place it in a processor, 1 clove of garlic, and you start processing away. You drop some ice cubes in there. So you keep mixing it until it becomes extremely smooth and silky. At this point you add some tahini paste, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, some salt, and you blend it away. So at this stage you add some citrus acid, just so it doesn't become too soft if you keep adding lemon juice.
That's what they want really lemon.
So you keep processing it for approximately 5 minutes until it becomes extremely super silky smooth, and you keep tasting and adjusting the salt or the lemon mixture to your liking, to your taste. And this is what you're after, the good stuff. And this is the final product, guys. Extremely delicious, smooth, silky, velvety hummus. It's got a nice tang to it, very creamy, and just melts in the mouth. Must try recipe. And please, if you liked what you've seen, give us a like, and don't forget to share and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you next time, inshallah.